30 minutes later.
Javier, so nice to see you. I know, how are you?
Pretty good.
Why don't we sit down together?
How's life been?
So far so good. How about yourself?
Pretty good. Can't complain. Work, school as always. So, what's that phone call you told me all about?
Let me show you my baby.
Let's check it out. Let's see how.
Bang!
No way.
Yeah, that's my new Beamer.
I know it's a Beamer. I got the same one. You have all the features and everything like that?
Mm-hmm.
What year?
2010.
Oh my gosh. Well, you have to tell me. When did you get it?
I got it yesterday, actually. I'm about to go pick it up tonight.
Really?
I was supposed to pick it up this morning, but my friend called me and said it wasn't ready yet. She's waxing it for me.
Oh my god. I got the same one though, but tell me how much you paid for it.
Well, it's $1,000 per month for 42 months, and then I have a 36% interest rate.
What? 36% interest rate.
Yeah, why? Nice face.
Well, nice face. I'm only paying 10% interest rate.
What?
Yeah, I'm only paying, yeah, for a corporate, I mean, if you want to do it, if you want to get all technical, that's considered usury first of all.
What's usury?
Usury is when someone takes advantage of you that has a close relationship to you. Who sold it to you?
My best friend, Daisy.
Exactly. And she sold it to you for 36%?
Uh-huh.
Corporates are supposed to send it for 50%. However, the minimum balance is 6%. I'm only paying 10%. And for individuals, it's supposed to be a 30%.
Is the maximum 30%?
Yeah, exactly.
Alright, so let me get this straight. 6% minimum,
Exactly.
30% maximum for individuals,
Yeah.
and then 50% for a corporation.
There you go. I don't know why she's charging you
And
all
I got 36%.
that. With your friend.
I need to go talk to her.
You should definitely give her a call and let her know that that's wrong. What she's doing is very illegal.
I'm going to tell her to come meet me here.
You should do that. Call her right now and
I'm
see
going
what
to
she
call
says.
her right now.
Alright. Well, I have to get going because I have to go to class.
Alright,
I'll
sweetheart,
talk
it was
to
good to
later,
see you.
though.
Bye.
You too. Take care.
You too. Call